Divorce in Chicago. Looking into divorce in Chicago means learning the specific Illinois laws that govern the process, often with the help of a divorce attorney in Chicago. Divorce in the city is governed by multiple sources: the Illinois Compiled Statutes, the Illinois Supreme Court rules, the Cook County Court rules, case law, and the standing order of the judge assigned to your case. The Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act, found in Section 750 of the Illinois Compiled Statutes, explains how marital property and debts are divided and how time and responsibilities with children are allocated. The Illinois Code of Civil Procedure in Section 735 describes how matters are brought to court and how evidence is presented. Domestic relations courts in Chicago are often informal, but if a party insists on following the code, everyone must comply. Most divorces are negotiated outside the courtroom, yet a divorce lawyer must know both substantive and procedural law and understand the temperament of the assigned judge to negotiate effectively. Federal law does not control divorce in Chicago except when state law violates a fundamental constitutional right, such as laws that once banned interracial or same-sex marriage. In rare cases, federal law affects divorce when one spouse is in bankruptcy. The Illinois Supreme Court issues rules to supplement the Code of Civil Procedure. These rules set discovery schedules and outline how evidence is presented. Rule 201(k) requires parties to confer about outstanding discovery before filing a motion to compel, keeping discovery disputes out of court. Judges see these rules as persuasive guides rather than strict mandates. Because Cook County handles a larger and more diverse population than other Illinois counties, the chief judge issues local rules. Part 13 of the Cook County Court Rules organizes domestic relations proceedings and is written succinctly, so reading it provides a clear overview of how a divorce works. As the county moves away from team calendars, each case is assigned to a single judge who may issue a standing order. Parties should read their judge's standing order to prepare for court. When rules are ambiguous, appeals to the Illinois First District Appellate Court produce case law. The appellate court reviews the record and issues opinions that become binding on Cook County courts. Parties who break rules may face contempt proceedings. Judges can order compliance, require payment of attorney's fees, or even impose jail time. Often a lawyer raises a rule violation at a status date so the judge can remind everyone of the court's authority. A Chicago divorce lawyer should know these rules thoroughly. The Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act and the Cook County Domestic Relations Rules together cover most situations and are less than 50 pages long. Lawyers should also be comfortable with the Code of Civil Procedure, the Illinois Supreme Court rules, and relevant case law. Experience, particularly trial experience, teaches how these rules operate in practice. Prenuptial agreements can override many statutory and local rules. A detailed agreement may specify how assets and liabilities are divided and may even apply another state's law to property division. Because prenuptial agreements can be vague, courts sometimes declare them invalid, and the statutory and local rules then apply. The law office of Russell D. Knight, a Chicago law firm, portrays its founder as a divorce and family law attorney who treats Illinois family law like a first language and offers clear, practical guidance to clients. Clients speak directly with Russell rather than a receptionist or salesperson, and the law firm offers free consultations to discuss divorce, parenting issues, or protection orders in Cook County. The firm's approach aims to bring more method and less madness to family cases. If you need guidance about divorce in Chicago, remember that statutory law, procedural rules, and case law provide a framework, but working with an experienced attorney helps you navigate them. For more information, contact the law office of Russell D. Knight at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, 773-334-6311.